what's going on guys? Dennis Balvin here. Tonight, papunta tayo ngayon sa Fair Play for All Foundation center nila sa futsal court nila. So I got invited by Roy mag-perform ng football freestyle for their event tonight. One of the things na inspire ako dito sa community nila Roy is they were able to establish yung futsal court nila out of nothing. And matagal-tagal na rin yung futsal court nila before hindi covered. But now, rain or shine, nakakapaglaro yung mga bata. Umaga hanggang gabi pwede sila maglaro. Ay mamaya papakita ko sa inyo how beautiful the community is. Ito na. Ito na yung court. Below. Oh.
Thank you so much, Suzanne. A big round of applause for Suzanne.
Hey. Uy! Basta. I'm here sa event. Medyo late na pala ako. Nag-start na sila. So, late.
Thank you. There's not lots left to say. We just spoke about half an hour ago about how it takes a team to...
So, what do we have here? May mga booth dito sa event. So, yung futsal court, ginawa nilang fun games, booth ng pagkain. Let's just enjoy ourselves before we do the performance. Hey! I came!
Oy, let's go, coach!
Three sticks ang nasalo natin, so we have more games. After recognizing yung mga athletes dito sa Payatas because of their achievements, ayan si Coach Rona.
Please welcome Mr. Taylor Kusula.
Nare-recognize sila yung achievements ng mga players nila para makita ng mga partners nila dito. Ano yung program ng Fair Play for All Foundation. So after recognizing the achievers, I might perform again, second set. Kanina it's a little bit off, medyo madaming doubts. Hindi ko trinay yung mga hardcore tricks, but this time I might try. Kasi nakapag-warm up na ako, a little bit of warm up. And hopefully, with that kind of exercise kanina, makakuha natin yung some of the hardcore tricks like Mitch around the world, Abduzani around the world, Eclipse, crossover, and some other combos.
Walang matika sa bolang humahagibi sa bilis ng pagsali, merong diskarte ng may wasang dumaplisas ang kalsadong pinanggalingan ay buwelong malakas. Ay nakasalalay sa binting ubod ng tigas. Dito hinahawi parang usok ang mga lalampalampa. Kahit konting pagkakataon makaputos dinadamba. Sinisipa tinatadya humahagilap ng puwang. Di bibigyang makasulot kalaban ay makalama. Kalkulado ang bawat sipa, merong puso't disiplina. May kung saan direksyon dadabo, kabisado kung saan pipina. Ang bawat estratehiya sa karon na sa'y hinango. Kada katapat ay kalaban na kahit saan mapadako. Ang sarili ay nilako sa tsansa at makatsama. Yung ibabaw ay hilig di dahil sa pera't midala. Ng buhay at problema isang tabit wag isa. Dapat tutok at may kumpiyansa kada football dyan sa kaya. Dito dapat may direksyon ang galaw.
that's the end of my performance. Was able to meet some people. And ngayon naman, I'm gonna enjoy myself dito sa sa center. So they're serving some cocktails, snacks, tusok-tusok. Piña colada. Thank you. So we have the piña colada. Sige. Itong event na to was amazing. I was looking for inspiration to write some projects for Manila, and this happened. Thank you very much, Roy, for inviting me here. I was able to meet new people and talk about the goals and the mission and the vision of what we are doing in Manila with those kinds of message na we need to continue what we are doing because we're giving opportunities for the children, and it's not only the opportunity that we are trying to give, it's the connection. Right now, I'm inspired. Thank you very much. So once again, I'm here in Payatas, Fair Play for All Foundation, and this is the leadership development. The event is about the celebration of what they are doing. So I'm a little bit tipsy kasi uminom kami ng cocktail and partying. Look at the people around me enjoying themselves. Kanina, party talaga, slaman. So we're just enjoying ourselves and we're just celebrating what we are doing. So once again, this is me, Coach Dennis Badvin of Tondo Football Club, and right now we are doing Manila Futsal Association. And hopefully, with the inspiration that I got now, hopefully I can do better things for the community to grow. Thank you very much.